Tiffany, a 13-year-old Taiwanese-American girl with long flowing hair, always looked forward to spending her summers in Tainan. Her favorite part was the time spent with her grandmother, who was full of fascinating stories and old traditions. This summer, Tiffany was in for a special treat. Her grandmother had arranged for them to visit Grandma Xiaohong's family-owned noodle factory, a factory with over a century of history making Tainan's famous Yanshui Yi Mian. Excitement bubbled in Tiffany's chest as they arrived at the small yet lively factory. The scent of flour filled the air as workers moved with practiced hands, rolling and cutting noodles with a rhythm passed down through generations. Grandma Xiaohong greeted them with a wide smile, her face glowing with pride. She explained that the noodles were made using natural, sustainable methods, just as they had been for over 100 years. Tiffany's curiosity sparked as she listened closely to Grandma Xiaohong. The key to Yanshui Yi Mian is its simplicity, she explained. We use only the finest wheat flour and mix it with a bit of salt water. No preservatives or additives, just natural ingredients. Tiffany pulled out her notebook, eager to jot down every detail. She wrote down the steps. Mix the dough, let it rest, roll it out, cut into thin strips, and dry them in the sun. Grandma Xiaohong smiled as Tiffany meticulously noted the process. Now, the real magic, Grandma Xiaohong said, is in how you enjoy the noodles. Our Yanshui Yi Mian is usually served dry, with a drizzle of sesame oil, soy sauce, and a sprinkle of green onions. Simple, but packed with flavor. Tiffany's eyes lit up. She could imagine sharing this delicious meal with her friends back in New York. I want to take some back with me. 2 big bags, she exclaimed. I'll cook them during our camping trip and use some local vegetables to mix things up. My friends will love it. But she wasn't just content with sharing the noodles. Tiffany had another idea. Grandma Xiaohong, can I help design an English menu for you? That way, more people from around the world can learn about your amazing noodles and this wonderful tradition. Grandma Xiaohong laughed joyfully. Of course, dear. That would be such a help. Together, they worked on the menu, with Tiffany explaining each dish in English, highlighting its health benefits and the story behind the noodles. She wanted people to understand that these weren't just any noodles. They were a piece of history, made with love and respect for the earth. As Tiffany packed her bags for her return to New York, her heart was full. She couldn't wait to share the noodles and the beautiful story of Grandma Xiaohong's sustainable, health-conscious factory with her friends. It wasn't just about the food. It was about preserving a tradition and finding a way to blend the best of both worlds, Taiwanese heritage and modern American life.